Go. Give it a rev.
Nah, I don't want to make it hot for when we take it off.
It's 1 rev. Nice.
You get used to it.
Go for it. Yeah.
Like all the way?
Not all the way. Jesus Christ.
It sounds like it's fast.
It's not.
It sounds fast.
It's not fast. That's funny.
Fuck you, I'm killing myself now.
That smells so fucking rich, dude.
Yeah, what does that smell?
No emissions.
Pure exhaust.
Alright, I need a bolt. I'm not. Something. Fuck! Can't. Stop.
Go ahead. That's worth it. Rev it.
Do it again? Turn oil.
Retarded. It sounds so fucking good.
It makes you feel like you're going so fast.
That shit is crazy. Ignore the check engine light.
Yeah, it's gonna be there forever.
Yeah, it's actually permanently there. Holy shit.
What the fuck?
It's just foggy. That's probably why there's so much exhaust. It's just cool out. It's like 60 degrees.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
50, 60. And when I watched the video of the guy that had the same exhaust, holy shit.
See that dude?
Yeah, I saw it. He said like a lot of exhaust comes out at first.
Yeah, it's the inside of the metal. My Borla did the same thing.
Yeah, I can't remember what he said, like what is this fog? It's worse in person than on
Yeah,
camera.
you can see through it in the camera.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, that sounds crazy. That sounds so good. The thing is, this is exactly what I wanted it to sound like. It sounds a little like farty, but I don't give a shit. It definitely,
Cone at the end.
yeah. It sounds crazy. Crate now. New fucking exhaust. It was pretty ghetto, but I mean, now it sounds so fucking good. As you could hear in that last clip. But it sounds crazy. It's like exactly how I wanted it to sound, so now I just need some fucking two-step in this bitch and then it'll be crazy. I'm just excited. It's so good. This shit, like, that's hot, so I'm not gonna do it. But my hand fits in there. I can just feel an aura of heat.
There's some good pipe right there.
Yeah.
No, I'm not gonna lie. Like driving behind you, this thing looks fucking great.
Does it?
Yeah. It looks really fucking good. Like you just see this fucking like that cherry bomb.
It did scrape when you backed out of the fucking thing. It'll probably scrape more now because the exhaust is.
I mean, we do have one more hanger to put it on. It's just we couldn't because of the fucking subframe.
Hey, you can hear it rattling a little bit too.
It's because it's touching.
Yeah, but
my BMW does that though. It vibrates the back seats like motherfucker.
no, it sounds like something's loose, but it's just like you can hear where it's like tapping. But it's all right. It'll be fixed one day.
She's looking fresh now though. Or he. You said it was a he.
Nah, it's she. I don't care.
Mr. Frog.
It is a frog, kind of. I'm gonna close the window so one of those weird ass bugs doesn't go in again.
Yeah, I already closed my shits.
Do I start it?
Yeah.
Can I rev?
Give me some rev pops.
Again?
Yeah. That's so good. That shit sounds fire.
Miata is crazy now. Smells like it's burning something now.
It's the fucking bumper.
Is it? Yeah, that's probably what it is. It smells like burning plastic or something.
It's the bumper.
It's alright. I don't give a shit about that bumper. I mean, I do, but I don't. Like, no one's gonna walk up to my car and go, that shit's melted. It's like the same analogy when your mom tells you to clean your room when the guests are coming over. Like, no one's gonna fucking inspect your room. No one's gonna inspect this one fucking sector of my bumper. And if they do, I'm running their ass over, and it'd probably total my car, and they'd be fine. That's alright.
And then you guys already know what happened here. You guys already know.
Yeah, we don't talk about that. It'll be fixed soon.
That was a drifting incident.
Drifting, yeah. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, she's almost perfect. Some of these, some of those, some of these.
Some of these.
Some of these.
Some of this.
This is sandpaper now.
Oh yeah, it's terrible. It's terrible.
It's alright. We'll get actual car paint next time.
Yeah. We can buy a new fender, $90. It's cheap as shit.
Did it sound gas when I revved it?
Oh yeah, when you were like flooring it back there, sounded
Really?
so good. Yeah, we'll have to find it. We'll have to get a clip like tomorrow.
Yeah, cause no, when I revved it to like 7,000 just now.
That sounded. Oh, right then it sounded so good.
Really? Did it pop?
No, I don't know. I have to watch the footage,
Right.
but it was like it was
sounded
like
gas.
like raspy fucking screaming.
Really?
It's so good.
It sounds so much better than before.
Oh, before it was
just
like
yeah. It's all right. I just gotta make sure not to hit potholes.
Oh yeah, you're fucked.
I think it might sound better than your car.
What are you trying to say?
I think it. All right, this sounds the best, but I think it's 1, 2. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Can we just leave this out in its own class?
Yeah, but this is just retarded loud.
Like
Like if I had a,
I still
real
got one more cat to delete.
Yeah, like if I bought a Borla and didn't have a cat, like it would be retarded loud.
He's just jealous because my fucking exhaust says HKS on the side of it.
Give a shit. I'll fucking carve that shit in tomorrow with a knife. You think I care? Like I really don't. That's why I'll put mulch in the car.
In the exhaust?
Yeah, in the gas tank.
People are gonna. Oh, by the way, David's going with 4 other people.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Who the fuck is he going with?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
PJ. Definitely
No,
PJ.
like David from the other car meet.
Oh, Oh. I thought you
From
meant,
Boston.
Anderson.
No, he's with me.
Okay. All right. Perfect. We'll
Perfect.
fucking be pulling up in this shit.
This thing's
The thing is,
shiny
this is a
now.
sleeper.
What the
They
fuck
don't-
is going on with
No.
this?
The thing is, they don't know what's in this yet.
Yeah,
The
facts.
viewers don't know what's in this Beamer. This shit's a sleeper. You'll see soon. Video coming soon on what we did to this shit.
Facts, bro. Just pick this thing up off the auction. Straight. Can't
Don't
say
tell-
it.
Yeah, we can't say it.
Just can't say it, bro.
You'll see soon. That shit's crazy. It may or may not. All I can say is there may or may not be 2 335s in this driveway. That's all I gotta say.
And that's all that needs to be said.